Why do I compare?
Great question. Comparing yourself happens fast because your brain is always scanning for where you fit in. It is trying to keep you safe by checking if you measure up, but this habit can make you feel smaller, even when you are growing. Today, we explore why comparison steals joy and how to break free using brain science and tiny mindset shifts.
So, what does that actually mean?
It means your brain looks at others to decide your value instead of looking at your own progress. When you compare, you forget your unique timeline and your gifts. Your job is not to be better than someone else, but to be better than yesterday. When you focus inward, the pressure disappears.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, your brain changes when you stop feeding the comparison loop. Each time you remind yourself that you are fearfully and wonderfully made, your prefrontal cortex strengthens. Jealousy and insecurity come from the amygdala, which reacts when you see others succeed. But when you replace comparison with gratitude and purpose, your brain builds new calming pathways that help you stay confident.
How does this show up in real life?
It shows up when someone gets better grades and you feel behind. When friends post perfect pictures online and you suddenly dislike yourself. When siblings seem more talented and you wonder why you struggle. Comparison quietly takes your energy and makes normal challenges feel like failures. But most people only show their highlights, not the full story.
So, small equals big?
Yes, tiny shifts add up, because every time you celebrate one small win, you stack confidence inside your brain. Imagine watering your own plant instead of staring at someone else's garden. That plant grows quietly but steadily. Soon you realize your progress has turned into strength. Confidence grows from small daily choices, not from winning against others.
So, how do I start?
Here is your 3-step plan. Step 1 is thinking. When comparison shows up, say this truth: this is my journey. Step 2 is feeling. Take one deep breath and thank God for one thing about yourself. Step 3 is action. Choose one tiny step to grow your skills today. These steps teach your brain to focus on progress, not pressure.
What should we do today?
Your challenge today is to notice one thing you did well and say it out loud, even if it feels small. Then comment the word unique to remind yourself that your story is one of a kind. You are welcome to subscribe if episodes like this help your heart feel lighter and your mind feel stronger. Remember, you are not supposed to be a copy of anyone. Your worth is built into you before you do anything at all. Small steps of gratitude and focus will help you love your journey. Keep choosing your lane because the world needs the person only you can become.
See you in the next episode.